little chillier today, guys. Look at this. The river is starting to come down. Hopefully the flooding lets up in town. Truck's just warming up. I just made the most disgusting green smoothie ever. It's actually pretty good, but it's about 80% vegetables and superfoods, so it literally has more vegetables and probably nutrients than I had total in my whole 2017 career. So anyways, can't really do much yet. You know, the weather's still kind of shitty and muddy. So Sandford called me up. He said he wants to tour to Detroit for a little road trip. So I said, why not? Threw my camo pants on and let's roll. So I'm gonna convince him to go go-karting or something. That'd be fun. Let's go for a little go-kart tour. We are locked. We are rolled out. You live in here?
Sometimes I
Sometimes.
feel that way.
Good. Let's go. A little Tim Hortons.
Denise.
A little Starbucks.
Yeah. No coffee from Tim.
This isn't a beer. It's just a beer cozy. It could be a beer though.
It fools the cops all the time.
Does it?
Especially Scotty Face Plant. Wait, he's not a cop.
He's
Bleep
just
that out.
Alright, let's go over the old bridge. Hopefully they let us in.
To the United States of America.
Pure Michigan. I love the Pure Michigan commercials. Look at the water, nice.
With Tim the Toolman Taylor.
Tim the Toolman Taylor. Alright.
Goodbye, Canada. Hello, USA.
Cruising away. Some rough roads here, eh?
Well, it's Michigan, right? Detroit. Bankrupt. I don't think they're going to put any money into the roads. As they fall apart, cars just will fall into giant sinkholes.
I've almost lost.
Never to be seen again.
I thought I was going to lose a tire one time. I nailed, I swear, a pothole that was like 3 feet deep. Oh well, what can you do?
Is that a hole that's filled with pot? Or what's a pothole?
Yes, they fill it full of pot.
Okay.
Yeah, just to be clear.
Cushion the blow if you fall in.
Exactly. Well, we made it.
What?
The city warehouse, is that where we're going?
City warehouse.
We drove all the way here. We're near 8 miles, so we might go swing by and hit the White Castle.
See M&M.
See M&M? Does he still live there?
I think so, yeah. Pretty sure.
Did you park in handicap?
No. I don't even walk on the handicap logos on the ground. Bad karma.
Really?
Bad karma.
I did not know that.
I don't do it.
It's gonna lose. Good for the belly. Quite the selection here. This is the one I got. Black camo. Classy.
Did you guys see the
Camo and camo.
Yes, it did.
Look at that.
So I assume
Hey?
everything that
Boom. How's your day?
do you guys, is there another store?
Check. Mate. Can we go to White Castle now?
Except you sold my jacket.
Well, I didn't technically steal it. It didn't fit you. So, that's why I work out.
Damn you being so skinny. Stupid smoothie.
My green
Gross
smoothies.
green smoothie.
Yeah. Ooh dear. Land check.
Land check.
We're in 8 Mile, where you can get your snake drains. You can get your house buck, fast cash. If you need cash, call that guy. Need cash?
I need cash.
Need cash. We all need cash.
He doesn't need cash.
Flavors. Delicious. A little boarded up. We missed one house that was lit on fire. These ones aren't too bad. What else we got? Yeah, that garage has seen better days. Huh. Last stop, old Cabela's. See what we can find. It is chilly out, but I'm Canadian. I wear a t-shirt because I don't care. Look at this. See what we can buy in here. See what other money we can waste today. Look at the sky. Nice out. So much fishing stuff. I think I found a rod though. Alright, we're done. We got the ugly stick. I got a little thing to hold it together. Sandford's got his camo.
You can't see me.
Barely. Where'd you go? Now back to Canada.
Where's Canada?
I don't know, I think it's north. Nice Ford for you? Well, back to Canada. Don't drive off the bridge. Is there snow on the other side? Is that what happens?
It's as soon as we cross the border here.
That's what I figured, where the snow, you know, it's on the other side of the bridge.
The temperature drops 20 degrees.
There it is. Oh. Well, another garbage day in Canada. Another winter, spring, I don't know. Winter or spring? What do you even call it now? I'm pretty sure it's still winter, but I'm gonna call it spring because I know winter's not coming back. Like the forecast for the next couple weeks is like all +5 and 10, so I think winter's pretty much over. I'm sure it's still gonna be junk weather for a while, and, you know, rainy and crappy. And so I was trying to think of what we can do. Like, you can't really snowmobile. We can go on the river and stuff, but I don't want to post like just river videos every day. And I can't really dirt bike. Like, I mean, I can go out, but I can't jump stuff. It's too muddy. So I was talking to Amber, and she came up with the idea, like, why don't we get some fans involved? I know lots of you guys have trucks and, you know, like to take the mudding. And so she messaged a few of her friends. I had Justin put it on 519 Trucks, and the response was incredible. We got like 90 messages within an hour of people wanting to come out, you know, rip around the track, we'll make some YouTube videos, and then maybe go in the pool or whatever. So yeah, we picked about 10 or 20 people, all with different interesting vehicles. There's trucks, there's lifted cars, there's, you know, brand new trucks, there's old trucks, there's Raptors, there's everything you can think of. So I'm gonna get in contact with a few guys next week and kind of, you know, just wing it day by day, have a few guys out and get a little sloppy in the mud. And I guess we should probably go mudding with my truck soon too, eh? She's pretty much broken in now. I mean, I broke it in the snow, so the river has calmed down quite a bit. You can see the grass over there. The water was almost up to the fence, but yeah, so I'm excited about that. I'm just, you know, just trying to come up with content for these crappy transition seasons. You know, we used to have winter, then like a good, nice spring, and then summer. But now it's just like you're stuck in the transition of rain and cold and junk and miserable. So anyways, me and Dave had a good little trip down the States yesterday. Got a new fishing rod, nice black camo jacket. I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, and then it got dark, so I just stopped filming and just went for, I had to get back to London there. I had a meeting, so. But today, yeah, not much going on. I'm headed to Windsor in a bit, and then I gotta be back for Sunday. It's currently Friday in the real world. I don't know what day it is in the YouTube world, but it's currently Friday here. So yeah, I'm gonna just head down the track, show you guys what's going on down there, see how muddy it is, take a look at the cars. I gotta take those cars back to the scrapyard too, so I'll probably do that later next week. And yeah, so let's head down, go for a little walk in the rain, and then we'll wrap this video up. It is miserable out here. Oh, I don't mind rain, but cold rain, it's just junky. All right, the rain is coming down. The river's still flowing a little, or this creek's still flowing a little bit down to the river there. Look how muddy it is from when I tried to load up that Dodge. What a mess that was. Pushed so much dirt around. Huh, what a crappy day. You gotta make the best of a crappy day though. You know, I could be sitting inside whining about how crappy it is outside, but I figured, why not? Just go for a walk, take the umbrella, be positive, guys, you know? Wake up, have fun. I wish I had some, I wish I still had the Dodge Durango. Yeah, I mean, that thing was pretty sick to jump and watch front flip, but it was really nice in the mud with that 4x4, so it would be still nice to have it, because you know, the Cavaliers and the Impalas and stuff do not like this mud. My whole track's on a bit of a slope, so everything just slides over there. And then you get in the deep, really soft mud, and then you're just kind of screwed, right? So, anyways, it's hard to hold an umbrella and run the camera at the same time, but we'll take a look at the cars, and we'll wrap this up. I love how there's just car shrapnel everywhere from the winter. It'll be winter fun. I can't wait to hit the ramp either. Feels like it's been so long. Got to push some more dirt up, make the landing higher, move the ramp back, hopefully another 10 feet this year. The old burnout patch. I got some patio stones here now too. Matt gave me a few. I'm gonna try and get 2 more off them, but they work a bit better. It's like a full tire of rubber there. Look at all the rubber. Jesus. There's the old rock stick thing. We attached that to the top of the Dodge, and then we hung a rock off it and drove like 80K and had the rock smack. I think it was Cavalier or something, but look at the parts. Got a light, some styrofoam, there's a bumper over there, shrapnel everywhere. I gotta clean this place up. Couple spare tires. There's still tires over there from that car jump when we stacked them on top of the jump, and then the car nailed it finally. It took so long for us to do that. But yeah, this year I'm gonna make that jump higher, wider, maybe move it back like closer to this jump another 5-10 feet, because I want the cars to go high. I don't really care if they go long, I just want them to go high. So the Impala, I was hoping to jump you, but we tried to get it going, I think last week or 2 weeks ago, and we snapped something in the front. She was just grinding away, so she's done. Wow, the ground's still pretty frozen. I guess it was like -5 last night. The Buick, she didn't have much of a go at life. I got her here, got her out for 45 seconds, then it lit on fire. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but I got it in, yeah, did a big donut, walked back to my truck, turned around, the car's on fire. So I should have just let it burn. If I didn't see it, it probably would have burned, because it was full snowstorm. You couldn't even see the track from the house that day. So yeah, just shrapnel everywhere. Time to clean the place up. Anyways, I think I'm gonna wrap this up for now. So cold and crappy out. You know, I wish I could do something. Well, I'll contact a bunch of those guys, a bunch of you guys, and hopefully we can line something up within the next week or two and really get some videos rolling. What else is going on? Oh, Fish and Freshies. My friend started a YouTube channel. I'll put the link below, and if I forget, his link is in my featured channels there on my homepage. He's giving away some swag and free stuff for his first 100 subscribers. If you guys want to go subscribe to him, I would be greatly appreciated, and I'm sure he would too. It's called Fishing Freshies. He just does a fishing channel. It's pretty sweet. And he does some videos with me. So you guys all know Blake Exteriors. Remember the Blake Exteriors trucks? So go give him a few subscribers. Get him up to 100 or so. Yeah, other than that, tons of links below. Check out the Freeman 408 merch. I'm pretty sure there's water on my lens. I'm over it. Thank you guys again. You guys are awesome. Hopefully we can dial some stuff in the next few days and get this place ripping again. I'd love to get the dozer down here and clean things up and really rip it this year instead of letting it grow over. All right, we'll see you guys later.